The gingival margin trimmer has an oblique cutting edge and a concave face. Place the blade on the upper instrument rest with the concave face facing upward and the long side of the blade parallel to the 60-degree guiding line on the rest plate. Use the tip third of the working blade as the point of support. Press the blade lightly against the stone until the instrument is sharp. Both mesial and distal gingival margin trimmers are sharpened the same way. Test the sharpness using the LM-Fingo sharpness testing stick.